Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up on what's going on for my allotment. This is the third time I've been this year. As you can see, getting quite a bit done now. Probably 15 metres to go over now, maybe a little bit more. As you can see here, lovely, nice, crumbly texture. Really nice quality, as you can see there. Really nice to get some veg in this. Yeah, still got all this to do. It's down there. Hopefully this week I shall get down to here, which I'll be pleased about. Just down to there, and then if I get up to here, that's what I got to last year before the coronavirus hit. Get that done again, I'll be well happy. But yeah, here we go. Nearly down to the bottom now. You can see. Sorry about the noise, everybody. Yeah, not bad at all. All this is a good few weeks' work tidying all this up. Oh, it needs cutting back, going through. Oops, there's a foot fell over there. But yeah, see here. Don't even know what I've really got. I've got a good mind to plant this up. Line it. That'll make a really nice planter out. So the plants going out of it. These are like 2 compost bins. All this, like, once I put this back, I'd probably get another 4 or 5 feet of my allotment. So yeah, I'm really close to doing that. Just put down here. All this thing's cleaning up. Wow. Empty cans, all sorts everywhere. Compost bins. All this needs doing. All this needs burning. Yeah, once I've got all this tidied up, planted up, I'm well happy. Yeah, look at all that there. All needs doing. Let's open the greenhouse. This has not been touched for a long time. Look at the state of it. We had some burglars on the allotment the other week. So, oh, this is beautiful. Wow, the centre of that is absolutely divine. I think it's a stock, that. Absolutely divine, that. That's a seed I sowed last year. It's really good. But yeah, all this needs tidying up. All this needs cleaning. Really good clean. All these plants I sowed last year, really disappointed. Yeah, clean all this out, some new compost. Get some tomatoes in here this year, and I'm looking forward to doing that. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up on what's going on for my allotment. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.